Hi guys, it's Kim. Welcome back to another Instant Pot recipe. Today we are going to be making lemon herb chicken in the Instant Pot. And if you'd caught my last video, Moroccan chicken, this is a very similar concept, but totally different flavor profile. So super easy recipe. It's done within 20 minutes, start to finish, and everyone in the family loved it. So make sure you hit the thumbs up button, subscribe if you haven't already, and let's jump into this recipe. So we're going to start by turning the Instant Pot on to saute, and then adding in about a tablespoon of olive oil. Once that has heated up, it will say hot on the Instant Pot, and at that point you can add the chicken. So for today's recipe, I used about a little over a pound of chicken, and I cut the pieces into bite-sized chunks or about 1-inch size pieces. And then we're just going to brown the chicken. You want to let the outside cook. The whole chicken doesn't have to be cooked through, but just the outside to no longer be pink. Then I add 1 teaspoon of salt, followed by a half a cup of chicken broth, 2 teaspoons of lemon juice, 2 garlic cloves or 1 teaspoon of minced garlic, 2 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of Italian seasoning. I ended up putting a little bit less than a tablespoon just because I thought that is what my family would prefer. And then we just are going to stir everything so all the chicken is coated with everything that we just added. And then it's time to add the lid. So make sure your seal is all the way around, the ring is all the way around the Instant Pot. Put it to sealing manual and then 6 minutes on high pressure. And that is it. We're going to do a quick release for this recipe, allowing the steam just to come out right away. And then you open up the lid, and that is it. So we're going to scoop out the chicken, and this way that the chicken doesn't overcook while we're allowing the sauce to reduce. Once you have the chicken out, you want to turn off the Instant Pot, and then I'm adding about a tablespoon of lemon zest. So it's just the zest from the lemon, and then stir that up and put the Instant Pot back on saute. And you just want it to boil up and let it reduce a little bit, let the liquid thicken. And once it is thick enough, add the chicken and stir to coat the chicken with that delicious sauce that we just made. So I hope you guys like this recipe. I will link in the comments below the ingredients as well as the original source. But that is it. I paired this with some white rice and a salad, and my whole family really enjoyed this one. Super simple, and if you'd like to see more videos like this from me, make sure you subscribe because I have a lot more of Instant Pot videos planned. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye!